Well boys, this is it. Every $5 you spend on today's drop is one entry to the Raise Grandma giveaway. Essentials line is included, the mystery items are included, everything on the store is included in this giveaway. For today's drop, we have 5 new shirts, 1 new hoodie, an extremely thick canvas jacket, the V2 windshield banner, jet tag, air freshener, and 2 new hats. A good example of how this works, if a t-shirt is $30, that is gonna get you 6 entries to win your very own set of Raise Gram lights. You can pick any color, any size, any lug pattern, any width, any design, and if you don't want the gram lights, you can get the cash. First link down in the description box below. The drop is only live for 24 hours, and if you wanna come out and meet us in person, we are gonna have the drop at the Cars and Coffee meet tonight at 6 p.m. at Boosted Coffee Co. Thank you guys so much for the support. Now let's get into today's banger video of ripping the 10. So a couple weeks back, we crammed a 100% stock engine into the Evo 10 and strapped on a Precision 6870. The car made 720 wheel horsepower on the Mustang Dyno, about 510 foot-pounds of torque. And in today's video, I'm compiling a ton of different pulls. I'm probably about 100 pulls in on this car, launches and everything. I'm gonna compile all of that footage in to one video for you guys, so enjoy. The car does still run at this moment. I just backed it into the shop. So somehow she is still a runner. I didn't really expect it to make it this far. I didn't expect it to make it nearly this far, but it did, so enjoy. Sounds about right. So Bader is going to 32 pounds now. That was boost cut and it still made 718 and it was to the moon, baby. We are good. 721 wheel. Sounded solid. Wanted more RPM as always, but you know what? We're gonna have to cut it off at some point. Come on, driver mod. That comes up on limiter real quick. Alright.
Dude, that thing was smoking.
You broke the Evo.
Yeah, oil boy. I hate being your man. Ooh.
So she burns oil decently, huh, Bobby?
Decently.
And it leaks a lot of oil. I want to fix the oil leak, but I feel like this motor's gonna blow up any day now. So I'm just gonna add oil and then we can rip it some more. It's about 1.5 quart flow, which is probably not the best thing for my bearings. And yes, I'm running 2050 in a stock motor.
No, that's thick.
That's a real thick oil.
Holy crap.
Should we put some 75/90 in her?
Kind of looks like your potty when you drink too much.
Drink too much beer in Bahamas. Okay, I think she's ready for the moon again. What do you think?
No.
Is it gonna blow up ever?
I think it already is.
This? Why?
I don't know. She's running a little funky.
Nah, fam. I don't want to overfill it, then I'll definitely smoke.
I don't really appreciate this.
Look how nasty this oil is though. It's like, I think this motor sat for a very long time before I put it in. So it's very stained. Maybe that's what's keeping her together, is all the stained oil. It's like disgusting.
Maybe.
It's all hearsay at this point.
Hearsay.
Bobby, hold the radio in. Alright, hold the radio in, please.
Okay, I got it.
Should I build more boost this time?
No.
launch control for. Alright, Bobby.
No, babe, I don't want to do it.
Just one hit.
I don't want to. I don't want to. Traverse is scary.
Alright, I'll just walk you through on what to do.
Jared's gonna be here a second.
Alright. So, both hands on the steering
I
wheel.
prefer to be straight.
When I say let off the clutch, let it off pretty fast. Now hammer down and don't let off till I say so.
Tell how many RPM.
It's launch control. You'll go. Let's go. There we go. Redo.
I didn't let off fast enough.
Hammer down. All the way down. All the way down. Yeah, let's go! Let's fucking go! Shit, I gotta hold the radio in better.
That scared me.
That was amazing! Holy fuck! Was it fun?
Yeah.
You wanna try again? Holy f that was amazing!
I
Well,
saw a clutch.
Go to Jared so I can talk some shit. How does it feel? Bobby can launch better than you.
I just went all in.
You wanna try again?
I think I'm good.
She's gonna go again. I gotta hold the radio in this time.
I just said I don't want to go again.